So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know a fruit that is very healthy that Mika loves? Yeah, a tomato. Today, you and I are gonna draw a tomato. First, I'm gonna start with the color green. Yeah, for the leaves and stem. All right, let's draw an arch like this. Ooh, and let's draw some, whoa, pointy things. Whoa, there we go. And then the stem. Whoa! So we have leaves in the stem, and then what color are tomatoes? Yeah, red. All right, now let's draw a big circle. Wow, now it's starting to look like a tomato, right? I know. All right, let's draw some wide eyes. Whoa, and a very wide mouth. Whoa, what a cute tomato. He is so happy. He's probably happy because he's very healthy. Whoa. All right, well, if you want to draw more with me, more really fun things like this, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout,